What sounds like a French president, but it's more tasty. Salut Junior! Chefs, bienvenue à Junior's Kitchen. Today we'll bake some of the most famous cookies from France, Macarons. Our ingredients are almonds, icing sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, salt, sugar, dark chocolate, heavy cream and butter. The exact measurements are under the video. Subscribe for more Junior's Kitchen. First things first, mise en place. We can buy the dry ingredients. Sift icing sugar, cocoa powder and almonds into a bowl. The big pieces you can throw away. Separate the eggs. From the yolks you can do in mayonnaise. Check our other videos. Egg whites into the mixing bowl. Add a bit of salt and beat. Little by little pour in the sugar. Meringue is ready. Wanna see a magic trick? Kitchen knowledge, stiff egg white is called meringue. Add the dry ingredients in the meringue. Gently fold it in. The mix goes into a piping bag. Prepare the baking tray. Let's make some macarons. Try to make them as even as possible. Tap the baking tray on the table so there are no bubbles. Let them dry for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven. Bake them for about 12 minutes. Let's make some chocolate ganache. Bring the cream to a boil. chocolate in a bowl. Ganache in the piping bag. Fill the macarons with the ganache. Macarons are ready, serve them on a nice plate. Bon appétit et au revoir. Don't forget, keep baking.